Hello friends, today I have here this DaranEner Neo 300 and it says here that it's a 300 watts and I think that it's like a charger, like a big charger or a battery. So let's go into open it and let's see what's inside. Okay, let's go into open it. I was seeing that it's like a battery, but like really big. You can use it maybe like to charge lots of things. Okay, the first thing, it's a portable power station. It is here, and I think this is like the user manual. Yeah, here it's the user manual, and well, it's like all the adapters that it has, the instructions, the warranty policy, the packing list, the specifications. I have here like this cable that we're going to use it right now. Here's like the big battery. It's like this. Okay, it has a lot of spaces to connect things. Okay, we have I think this is for the car. We have this, so I think with this one you're going to charge like the battery. And we also have this cable, okay? And we have here the warranty card. It's here, and it's like this for inside. And also we have I think it's like a card certification. Yeah, it's like a card certification. So let's go into try it. Okay, the first thing we have here, it's the car socket. That when you open it, it's like this inside. Okay, the next one, it's a AC outlet. That it's like this. Maybe you can charge here like the computer. We have the DC power, the PD 60 volts, and this. And we have here also the AC power and the inlet here. So I'm going to try it charging my computer, and let's see. Okay guys, so I have here my computer. I already have the cable. I put in the PD 60 volts and here in this part, and when I connect it, I put the DC power, this bottom. So now we're going to connect this one to my computer and let's see how it works. Okay, we can see there it's already charging the computer. I have 82%, and I think like it's a big portable station, so I think it will charge very fast. And I'm going to try it also with this outlet, okay, with this one. So I'm going to go for the other charger. Okay guys, so now I'm going to try it with the charger of my computer. That it's this one, the white one that I have here. Okay, and I have also here the black cable that it comes with the power stationary. Okay, so let's going to try it. I'm going to connect it here in this part, and it's already connected here, and like you can see, is it charging? Okay, you can see there it has the 82%. Okay, and it's there connecting, and I have here the cable. So I think it works very well. You can have like lots of things here connected, so I like it.